To begin, key holders will navigate to the URL provided by Client Services. Enter your securityrecords.com login credentials and select Login. If a user has access to more than one location, select the location to work within. Users with access to only one location will default to that location. Users may access View Key Log to review all keys in an issued status that operate doors in the selected location, or begin to assign keys from the Select Keys dropdown. Select keys to be assigned. Keys are ordered by serial number and displays who currently owns the key. Select from one of 4 available options under Assignment Action: Search by Employee ID, Assign to Location, Search Employees, or Add User. If Employee ID is utilized in security records, you may utilize Search by Employee ID. You may then select Add Keys and proceed to e-sign or submit keylog update if signatures are not to be collected. To move a key from a user back to a site for future reassignment, select Assign to Location, then Add Keys. To search by name, select Search Employees and begin to type any part of the employee name. Select an employee, then select Add Keys, and proceed to e-sign or submit keylog update if signatures are not to be collected. Finally, if assigning to a user not yet listed in security records, select Add User, complete the required fields, then select Add Employee. You may then select Add Keys and proceed to e-sign or submit keylog update if signatures are not to be collected. You may request an e-signature via text message, email, or select Sign Now if the user keys are being assigned to is present. Complete one field, select Send, then Close. Users will receive a link to click that brings them to the key signature page. Once signed, select Submit. If the receipt is signed on site, select Previous Page to return to the Key Assignments page. You may repeat this process for more key assignments, or select Send Key Log Email to issue a digital record of the session's assignments. Select Reset Form to begin again or log out to end your session.